Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for... You got great job. That's right. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. I can't.
I see you, friend. I hug people for all eternity. Oh, no.
I'm gonna take your cane. Thanks for the generous donation.
I am coming, ready or door, here I come. I see you, friend.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... Get out while you still can!
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep!
Please try and do worse though.